Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn how to install Laravel and how to run to or execute project on browser. Before we start, make sure you have PHP Composer installed on your PC. Let's start. First of all, we need to go to directory where we want to install or create project. My destination directory is project. Let's go on terminal go to directory and now write following command. Pros composer create project Laravel/Laravel dash project. Hit enter. It will start downloading Laravel project and its dependency. It will take few minutes now. Let's wait. It is downloading. It takes some time. It is downloading. Now Laravel project created on your computer. Now it is time to run or execute project on browser. Go to the project directory. My project directory name is Laravel project. Write this command. PHP artisan serve ---- port equal to 8080. Here 8080 is the port number. You can choose whatever you want. Hit the enter. This command runs the server, which is provided by Laravel. Now project is running on localhost at port 808. Let's see. Open your browser. In address bar, write localhost:8080 and hit the enter. You can see Laravel's welcome page. It means your Laravel project is run. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please write in comment box. Take care and bye.